This is a simple little scooter. It uses two 5-inch rounds, black for the wheels, and I've blown them up to about maybe 3 inches, so they're still good and soft. And then I've got a 160 with about 3.5 inches uninflated on the end. Let's start with the 160. I'm going to make about a 3-inch bubble, followed by a small round bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. And that's going to be one of your handlebars. Then you're going to make a slightly longer bubble, about maybe 3.5 inches, maybe 4. Followed by another small round bubble. Again, make that into a pinch twist. And then the first of your trucks or wheel supports. Make about 1.5 inch bubble. A small round bubble. Make that small round bubble into a pinch twist and another bubble the same size as that one. And then come back and twist that into that other pinch twist at the top there. Just like that. Now we're going to make about a 4-inch bubble, another small round bubble, again a pinch twist. Now we're going to make the truck the same size as that one, so you need your bubble, your pinch twist, and your other bubble. So, first bubble, second bubble, make it into a pinch twist, third bubble, lock it back into the other pinch twist there. Now we're going to take, and you just want a little small fold twist, just make a little loop so it sticks out. And then twist that into the pinch twist just like that. Then we're going to come up alongside another bubble the same size as this one here. Just like that. Then we're going to make one more of those fold twists like that here at the front. Just around that pinch. Lock it in. Then we're going to another bubble the same size as that one there. Lock that into the pinch twist. And there's the second handlebar. Now obviously one is longer than the other. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If you get one that's not enough to pop off and tie, what you can do is take and make another pinch twist here. And now your two handlebars are even. That'll also help them stay back a little better. Now we're going to go with some really simple wheels on this one. That's the two 5-inch rounds that I had. All you're going to do, this is if you're working for a little more speed, take your first 5-inch round and take the knot and put it on your thumb, squeeze it up in the middle, and this one's soft so you got to work a little bit, and just divide it into 2 equal bubbles. Helps it to hang on to it. I mean, if you want to do fancier rows you can. This is just an option that I'm showing you. 2 equal bubbles. Twist them around one of the pinch twists. Sticking out on the bottom to lock it in place. And then you're going to turn the support, the truck as it were, like that. The drawback is your wheels like this don't always want to stay perfectly round. There's one set of wheels. Then you're going to repeat that process with your other 5-inch round to get your other wheel, the other pair of wheels I should say. Hope that your pinch twist doesn't pop. Pretend that it's still there. And again, turn the truck to the side a little bit. And there's your little scooter.